Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new library of React.js which is called as react-toastify. With the help of this library you will be able to show alert notification messages for any sort of application. So the name of the library that we will be discussing is React-toastify. So basically it's a very popular library. You can see it used to create colorful messages alongside with icons. So you can see almost 2 million weekly downloads are there. This is the documentation page here, which is on present on npmjs.com. So it's a very popular viral library. So it's got a nice little documentation. So basically it has its own website as well. So if you just type here React Toastify, you will get to know about this library. So this is the library here. They have their own uh, documentation here. And basically these are the options. You can play with the position. Either you can display it on the top left position, top right, top center, bottom left, bottom right, and bottom center. If you want to show the toast here, this toast message will show here. You can now see the progress bar, and also these icons that you can also have. You can also have dark theme as well, like this is a dark theme, and you can even have a colored theme as well, like this. So you can display at any position here. You can see this is the top right position basically, and also you can display it on the very center of the screen here. You can also display it on the bottom left position, any position you can say, bottom right as well. So this is the bottom right position, and lastly we can display it on the bottom center here. So we have different kinds of toast messages, which is this info message. Also we have the success message. You can see the success icon is there. We also have a warning type as well. You can see warning sign is also there. If you want to display error message, you can also see the default will be something like this. So we also have the light theme as well, guys. Colored theme, as I already showed you. So basically we can put a delay of, let's suppose I put here 1000 millisecond. This is equal to, it will automatically close after appearing for 1 second. So you can now see after 1 second it will go away. You can control all these options, the animation, the progress value, all these options. So now let's get started by how to integrate this inside your React.js application. So I have created a brand new React.js application here. You can now see. So there is a simple command out there which is npm I react toastify. So I have given a complete step-by-step instruction on my codingshiksha.com website. So I have given all the source code with examples. So I will give this source code in the description of this live stream. So basically in the live chat I have given this link. So you can go to this link. I have pinned this message here right here at the very top. So now to display these error messages, guys, first of all what we need to do is that this is our brand new React.js project here. You can see nothing is present here. This is simply a brand new application. If I now refresh it, nothing will be present here basically. Just refresh the app, hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So here we will have a simple button, guys. So this button will be simply saying that show alert notification. So we have a simple button. So now we need to bind an on click to it. So when we click this button, we need to show the alert messages. So now here we will make this method show alert. This will be a arrow function, and inside this method, guys, we will display the error messages. For displaying the error messages, first of all we need to import the library. So we will simply say import react toastify, and inside this we have the dist folder, and here we will be saying react toastify css. So we will be importing the style sheet file for this, and also we will be importing the toast and the toast container modules from react-toastify. That's it. Now to show a alert message, guys, it's very easy. First of all, after this button you need to declare a toast container. Basically this will hold the alert message for you. So this will be empty tag right here, toast container. This is very much required. So now when we click this button, now to show the message, it's very simple, toast, and there is a error. If you want to show the error message, error notification, you will say like this: some error has taken place. So now it's very simple, guys. If you refresh it now, click the button, you will now see this, these are the default values. It will display on the top right position here. This is the default position. All these values you can change here depending upon your application. You can display it right here in the center, top left, bottom left. So basically this is expects object, guys. These are the toast options that you need to say. First is taking this the position. Here you can give these 6 positions. Either you can display it on the top center. Now if you refresh it, it will display it right here in the center of the screen. You can even change it to top left. If you now refresh it, it will display it on top left position. If you say here bottom center, it will now display it in the bottom position. So you can control the positioning, guys. Anywhere you can display it. The next position, uh, the next attribute is, guys, is our theme. Basically you can even change theme. These 3 options are supported. Either it can be color, dark or light. Let me put here dark, put a comma here. So now you will see the theme will change. It will, dark color will be there, black background color. So this is the dark theme. So if you want to show the success message, there is a success parameter, guys. You can now see it's a success message will be shown. Now you can see a green icon is there. This is a green success message. So depending upon the form fields correct, change the message like this. Similarly, guys, we also have the warning as well. There is a warning. This will have yellow color like this, form fields correct. So this is the warning sign which is displayed here. So basically there is also this cross icon. If you click this icon, the display alert message will close. And similarly we have this message which is for info. This is the info method. This is the info field here. You can now see this is info. So all these alert messages are supported, guys. These are the methods. And by default, if you call like this will be the no icon will be present here. This is the default alert message will be shown without the icon. So like this. And some more variables which are supported, guys, here. Basically auto close. So this simply means that after how many seconds you want the alert message to close. So this takes in a millisecond. So basically millisecond, as you all know, 1 second is equal to 1000 millisecond. So if I put here 1000 milliseconds, so it will automatically disappear after 1 second. If you now put here after 5000 milliseconds, so it will disappear after 5 seconds. So it will take a longer time. So you can even customize all these options depending upon your application. One more option is supported in this. If you want to close, if you click on the alert message, so there is a property here, close on click. So it can be false. The default value is true. Now if you click on the field here, it will not close. You can now see. If you put it to true, it is a default value. By default, if you click on the notification, it will close. This is a message. Then we have another property, guys, which is pause on hover. So basically default value is true. If you can even make it false as well. So now if you pause, if you hover onto this, it will not stop this progress bar. but the default behavior, if you change it to true, if you hover onto this, the progress bar will stop. This you can also, and you can also make it as draggable, guys. So default value is true. So you can reposition this like this, like this. It is draggable. You can now see you can drag this. If you put here false, then you can't drag it. You now see you can't drag it. So that's all. These are all the options which are supported, guys, inside this react-toastify library. I hope that you will like this tutorial. This is a complete tutorial from scratch, and I have shown you all the messages, alert messages which are supported. You can display or you can use it inside your React.js applications to show alert messages, either success, warning, error, info, all these messages with icons. It's a very popular library. Many developers use it inside their day-to-day application. And please hit the like button, guys, if you're watching it for the very first time. I'm seeing that people are not liking the content. Please hit the like button. Subscribe the channel as well if you are liking it for the very first time. You can also display multiple messages. You can now see like this. So I think it's a very awesome little notification library, guys, which is supported in React.js. Definitely try it out inside projects. And please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.